in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson WorkForce WF-2540 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, just search for Epson WorkForce WF-2540 support and search for that. And the best result from an Epson domain that says Epson WorkForce WF-2540. Go ahead and open that up. And then going underneath the download tab, just scroll down a little bit underneath operating system, click the drop down and select your respective operating system you are running on your machine, and then select go. Scrolling down again, select the driver and utility combo package and the corresponding download button. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to begin extracting the contents. It should be a verified publisher. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes, and then it should say this file contains a WorkForce WF-2540 driver and utility combo package. Select OK, and then proceed with the installer here, getting it configured based on your preferences if you want to have optional features installed, as well as your preferred connection type with your laptop, computer, or desktop if you want to have a wired or wireless-based connection, for example. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.